Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So again, I'm at my mother-in-law's house today, so just bear with me with the background being a little bit different. I did go ahead and use this bad boy again, so I really do like how this one turned out. It's super cute, super easy. I really do like this palette. I have a lot of fun with it so far, so yeah. I also picked up this guy when I was at Walmart last night because I wanted to try the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. But when I was looking at it, this was like $2 more than one of the butter bronzers. So I just picked it up and it's got some really nice shades in here. Like obviously it's got the butter bronzers, one is matte. It's got like this pearl highlight and then the blush and then, what is this one? Yeah, this one's just powder, but I really like it. I think it's super cute. I used this highlight today. It's got the little rose imprinted on it and yeah. If you like Physicians Formula, I would definitely recommend trying this out. So I need to try more of their stuff. Obviously there's a lot of brands out there that have a lot of products and I'm never gonna get to try all of them. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. I did forget to mention in the intro that there's this spider that has been like sitting here watching me do my makeup the whole time, so I'll see if I can go ahead and like insert a picture right here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.